Good morning, Stingers. For this week, we're going to do some media literacy in the form of reading recipes off a website. I'm going to make some whole wheat chocolate chip cookies. Maybe you've already done a lot of baking. I haven't done a lot of baking in my life, but it's something I'm trying out. So I'm going to get my kids to help me, and we're going to make whole wheat chocolate chip cookies. So I'll show you step by step, and maybe you can bake some as well. Hi Stingers, today we're going to do some media literacy in the form of following instructions off a website. Okay, maybe a lot of you have done some cooking already in this time, but it's something that I'm trying to do more of. Last week I made some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies that I burnt, so we had to scrape the bottom off. But today we're going to try something similar. We're going to make some more chocolate chip cookies, but with whole wheat flour. So the first thing we went to was to find a recipe on bettycrocker.com. We're getting our ingredients ready. We have 3/4 cups granulated sugar. It's great for you guys to work on your fractions and math. We have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. We have 1 cup of butter or margarine. A teaspoon of vanilla, which I had to borrow from my neighbor next door. And we have an egg, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, which I happen to have, and some baking soda, and also 1 teaspoon of salt. And we can add other things, and we decided we're going to put some more chocolate chips, and maybe we'll put some roasted peanuts in there too, because we don't have any nut allergies. But okay, so let's see how that goes. Here's my assistants, Kaden and Tegan. We're going to start with preheating the oven to 375. Next thing says to, where's our little, Kaden, can you read the second one? What does it say?
Mix sugar, butter, vanilla, and egg in large bowl. Stir in flour, baking soda, and salt. Dough will be stiff. Stir in chocolate chips. Drop dough by rounded tablespoonfuls about 2 inches apart onto ungreased cookie sheet.
Okay, let's start mixing.
That's all the steps.
Washing hands. Kaden, you're going to crack the egg in there.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Okay. Tegan will measure out the sugar.
Oh my goodness, no! The knife is stuck. Oh no, the croissants.
Yeah, man. Okay, measuring out how many? What is that? 3/4 cup?
This is 1/4.
1/4.
So that's the second one.
Second one, and then she's learned in her foods class to level it out with a knife. There's 3/4 of the white sugar.
Okay. And then
3/4 cup of brown sugar.
butter, vanilla.
Do we do the brown sugar?
No, there's no brown. What brown sugar?
Right here. What brown sugar? It's right here.
Doesn't say brown sugar.
Oh, hold on 1 second.
It's not.
Okay, we've got granulated sugar. Check it off. We've got the brown sugar, Auntie.
I'm getting the brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Kaden, you can check it off. Kaden, you can check off the egg as well, and vanilla. And then the butter and margarine. You want to do that one? Okay, is that all the sugar, Steve?
Yep.
Need 1 cup of margarine or butter, soft stuff, so we left it out of the fridge for a bit. And at the same time, Tegan's got the vanilla ready. Smells good. Okay, you don't have to squish it. Don't squish it down like that.
You just told me to.
Don't pat it down. Squish it down. Okay. That's good. Okay, scoop it all in.
Kaden!
Oh, no.
What is
You
wrong with you?
gotta use a spoon.
What is...
It doesn't just dump out. Okay, now that we have our ingredients in, we're gonna mix it up and stir in some chocolate chips.
Mix it with what? The wooden spoon or a metal spoon?
Use a wooden spoon. Stir up the ingredients.
And don't put the flour in?
No, flour and baking soda.
No, we put it in after. This has to be next, I guess.
Okay, Kaden's got the flour. We need 2 cups of the whole wheat flour. He's learned to level it off with a knife. Trying to keep things tidy.
1 cup.
Oh boy. Okay. Gotta communicate these things so we don't drop flour on people's feet.
She smacked it on.
Why would you put it right when I'm stirring? Just wait.
You're supposed to stir it.
Okay, Kaden, go put another 1/4 cup. Okay, that's good. Good communication. Continue.
So annoying. Clean this off my foot.
We'll take care of that after. Okay, what's next?
Drop it.
Have we done the sugars? Yes.
We need
Butter?
to do-
Yes. Vanilla? Yes. Egg? Yes. Stir
Baking
and flour.
soda.
Baking soda.
How much?
Baking soda is 1 teaspoon. Right here. One teaspoon. Yep. Dig that out of there.
Oh, I thought that was. Can you give me a spoon? Or that knife? The knife.
Soda.
Baking soda going in.
What's that one? What did it say?
1
1 tablespoon? Use just tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
1
Okay, we've got the whole wheat flour in there yet.
Everything's in here.
Okay, check out the flour. Check out our teaspoon. We need half a
Salt.
teaspoon of salt. It's right here. Half a teaspoon. Here. Teaspoon.
Why don't I use this one?
You can. Teaspoon.
Spoon. See, look how small it
Yeah,
is.
make sure we can tell the difference. We had already an unfortunate accident. Okay, don't pour it over there, Kaden.
Like, why? There's literally half a teaspoon right here.
Okay, salt is in there. We just need the chocolate chips now. Throw the bag of chocolate chips. Oh, I checked it off.
How much?
Throw all the
1.
chocolate chips in there. Yeah. I think we're gonna put some peanuts in there. Kaden, you have to open the bag. Open the bag. Good job.
I didn't even. Oh, Tegan! What
Hey,
are
hey,
you
hey, hey,
doing?
get out of there.
Put it back in.
Okay, we're cleaning up the flour off the floor. We've mixed the dough. Okay, the next thing to do is to drop round tablespoons about 2 inches apart. Okay. Rounded tablespoons. There we go. That looks delicious. 2 inches apart. Come here, don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
There you go. Okay, pick it out of there. There you go. Drop it on. And there's some big ones too. Keep going. Am I supposed to flatten these?
Probably. To not really stick that way.
Squish them together.
Squish them together. Better roll it together, don't you? Otherwise it's gonna fall apart. There you go. Some big ones here. Okay, we learned from a mistake last time where we didn't use parchment paper and we used aluminum foil, which was a bad idea. We burnt the bottom of the cookies.
How does this even cut? I need scissors.
Okay, going in at 400 degrees.
375.
375 degrees. I was just testing. Okay, and we've got the giant ones on this one.
Dad, you have to get parchment paper.
Parchment paper, second batch of giant cookies. Putting it in the bottom rack. Is it gonna burn there? Shadows.
This ones are huge anyway, so they take longer to cook. Whatever. We'll stop the parchment.
Okay, we have cooked for between 8 to 10 minutes. Let's have a quick look at it. It hasn't been put. Ooh. Very large cookies. Uh-oh, they are blending together.
These ones smell like they're done.
Okay, let's check it out.
I don't think they're.
Okay, we've taken them out. They're whole wheat cookies, so there's very. These ones look pretty good. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Drop that one. Ah! Don't even think about it. Alright, we've let them sit for 10 minutes, and Tegan's gonna try it out now. What's wrong?
They don't taste good.
What?
I mean, they taste fantastic.
Oh, okay, let me try it. Ah, I like them. They looked up. I think they turned out great. Well, give it a try, everybody. Find an easy recipe for your media literacy and enjoy. Okay, Kaden's gonna try one out here. Just eat the one that's already taken a bite. Just eat the other side, in case you don't like it. Let's see your honest opinion.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad? Okay. There definitely is a whole wheat taste to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Well, Stingers, I hope you enjoyed that. Here's my cookie here. It's not that bad, actually. My challenge to you for your homework assignment is to create your own baking, whether it's going to be cookies or some brownies or something. Have your family help you out. It's a nice family project to do, and make sure you do the measuring as part of your literacy. All right. And why don't you send me photos? Okay, email me a photo of your baking creation. All right. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.